editing or updating the information of an information record in the store. In stores, there is a method called update, which we can use to update or edit the information of a store. In the update method, as it is known, the input of the method is a parameter of the entity type. Here our entity is personinfo. The output of the method is also of personinfo type. The output contains new information after editing or updating. For example, we change the name of the function to editPersonInfo. And one parameter is string for ID, another parameter is string for new first name, and another parameter is string for new last name. Then we consider a number parameter for age. We define an entity variable for personinfo. We rename it into info. Using the item block, we connect info to the update method. To set the parameters in the info variable in the object field, we use the inObjectItemSetTo block. As it turns out, the data type ID field is unique identifier, but in the function settings we do not have any unique identifier data type. So we define the field type ID and the parameter ID from string, and we can use converter to set the value. Convert the value of string to unique identifier. In this section, the ID field, which is of the type string, is converted to GOID using convert to unique identifier. Then in the ID field, it is set to entity info from our entity. We do the first name parameter for first name, the last name parameter for last name, and the same for age. And at the end we save. In this section, in the previous example, which was get all persons, we have a list of persons in the store. We want to change the first item whose ID is specified here. We copy and paste the ID. We enter A for first name and B for last name and 45 for age. After the run, we notice that the record has been changed. First name became A and last name became B and age became 45. So in this new tab, we are on all persons again. As you can see, first name, last name, and age have been changed.
Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe for more tutorials on using appmaker.com.